What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer or send Bitcoin from Binance to Phantom Wallet. So if you're wondering how to exactly transfer from your Binance account to your Phantom Wallet using a Bitcoin, well, this one is kind of tricky but also kind of easy. So let's go ahead and first get some details. So usually if you want to send to your Phantom Wallet, we want to first get the address itself. So in this case, you want to go ahead and open up your Phantom Wallet here, and at the top left here, as you can see, you can go ahead and see your accounts. So if you click on receive here, you should be able to see different accounts or receiving addresses for your account. Now, the great thing about Phantom Wallet here is we have two addresses that we could access. Now, first is Bitcoin here that uses the Taproot network, and also Bitcoin again that uses the native SegWit network. Now, the thing with this one is whenever you're sending crypto online, so for example, from Binance to Phantom Wallet, you also need to make sure that you're using the correct network. So if you're going to send or receive Bitcoin here, make sure that you both use the Taproot network when doing the transaction. So for example, maybe you want to get the Taproot version of Bitcoin. Let's go and click on it, click on the copy option, and let's go ahead and open up Bitcoin. Now, in your Bitcoin account, you want to go to your wallet, at the top right here, go to Spot Wallet, and from here, choose the option here that says Withdraw. Now, you want to go ahead and go to your coin here, and just type in BTC, choose BTC here, and from here on, just enter the address. Now, the thing with this one is it will actually automatically match you with the network itself here, but in this case you need to make sure that you're using the correct network here. Now, the thing with BTC here, or the BTC network, as you can see, it's auto match here. So Taproot is a upgrade version of, or an upgrade that was done on the BTC network. So that's the general idea to this one. So usually speaking, it should receive, or it should send your BTC from your Binance here directly into your Phantom Wallet. Now, again, you want to make sure that you also, your address here starts with BC1P here, which is the indicator here that it actually can send to a Taproot address. But generally speaking here, just indicate the amount that you want to withdraw here, and also take in mind the network fee. So it's quite high here, so make sure you have enough. But once you provide all the details, just click on the withdraw option here. And from then on, you just need to wait for a few seconds or a minute here just to confirm the transaction. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.